Meaning of filing clerk.
Filing clerk.
Filing clerk.
Filing clerk.
Filing clerk. A filing clerk is an administrative professional who is responsible for managing and organizing company records and documents. Their main job duties include sorting, filing, and retrieving files as needed, maintaining accurate records, and ensuring that documents are properly archived. They may also be responsible for managing electronic databases and performing other general office duties as assigned. Filing clerks play an important role in ensuring that companies maintain efficient record-keeping systems and comply with legal and regulatory requirements. They require strong organizational and communication skills, attention to detail, and proficiency with computer programs and database management tools.